Yo, what's good? We are back with another video. Today we had Trump's speech at 8:30. That's why I started at 9:30 the video. We had the Trump speech at 8:30, but the news came out at 9. So we are gonna wait to see what market does and if it does something, because it moved quite a bit the market. We also have a news at 10, so we will see if I can find something, or if I have to look at PM session that I decided that I will do on my own, and I will post only here on YouTube the New York AM session, and I will do the mini recap in the second video with the in where I do USD JPY in Asian session. I will do a quick recap if I took any trade, and I will put that in that video so I can post this video as soon as possible and I don't have to worry about it, because yesterday I had to wait 4 hours to do all that stuff, and it took me quite a while. So yeah, today the market it was looking short before news, and after news we swept out all these short-term highs, and now we have to see if market does go back down. We have a imbalance right here, an hourly imbalance right here, that the market might want to fill. So maybe we are going back to this imbalance and then we are going down. I don't know. We will see, because the news was pretty strong today. So yeah, we already took out the London session high on both markets. So now I have to just to wait for my setup to create. I didn't took any of these two trades. It's just a test. I just want to see if actually market goes where it's supposed to go. It's just because I would like to take trades like this that are really short and quick. So I'm looking if what I think will happen it's right, and eventually slowly I'm gonna start taking them, because the trade I really want to take is the one that it's more secure, that is this down move that for me, for what I think will happen. So this is just like you have to be really good for catching stuff like this, because it's a really quick scalping, we can say, yeah. But I have to understand where to put the take profit. I have to put it on the start of the imbalance, in the middle of the imbalance, at the end of the imbalance. So I didn't took this trade just to learn how to do it on real market, because backtesting, yeah, you can learn this stuff, but you don't have the market moving like it's moving here. So I'm just testing. I didn't took these trades. Also, another reason I didn't took this trade is because, as I told you already, I can't close like 50% of the trade with this prop firm. I don't know why. I have to figure it out. Maybe I can, maybe I don't. If you know how I can do it on Trade08, please let me know, because it would be nice. Because if I even would, because I have to take the risk. I'm not gonna lie. I have to take the risk just to experiment and learn, but I don't feel like taking it if I can't minimize my risk. So if I could minimize my risk, like closing 50% at this high, then putting my stop loss to break even on this prop firm, I will do it. I will take these trades. As you can see, they are good trades. It went really nice. So if you guys know how I can close the 50% on Trade08, please let me know. And because I want to start taking trades like this, because they are actually good trades. If you see, they are not bad trades, they are really good trades. I would like to go long from this gap right here on the 1 minute and finding these highs because we have a market structure shift on the hourly gap, on the hourly chart. So I would like to see the market in this case to touch this 4-hour high and the second 4-hour high. So we might go up. So now I'm looking for anything actually, because my bias, as I told you, were short, but market have to do his path, so we have to look. Okay, so these are the two actual trades that I entered right here and right here. These are the two I actually entered. I didn't took this one, so don't mix that one. That is just an experiment. And now we wait and see how market does and how my trades play out. Yo, so both of the take profits hit, so they went well, and as you guys can see, both of the take profit hits. I I'm happy about that they hit, but I'm not happy about the entry here. I would like to enter earlier, but I hesitated. That's something I have to work on it. And if I didn't hesitate, then my risk to reward will be more shorter. I'm not chasing a bigger take profit. I'm chasing for a smaller stop loss because I want to reduce completely my risk. And this was quite a big trade, but still a really good trade. 1 to 3, it's a really good trade. While this one, it was I liked it more because I entered really quick, even if I could entered a candle before, but it's still really good. It's a 1 to 5 risk to reward, so it was a great trade. So yeah, I took these 2 trades today. They went well, so I want a trade on the PM session, and I will see you guys in the next video that will be in the Asian session with the USD JPY. Until that,